Yes, dear. The properties of chord. This is the this property we have already learnt last year with an activity, but still I thought we will make a small revision of it. Perpendicular drawn from the center of the circle. Perpendicular, which is the perpendicular? OM. Can you see the 90-degree perpendicular means we have a right angle here. So OM is perpendicular to PQ. Okay, chord PQ. The perpendicular drawn from the center of the circle on its chord. किसके ऊपर आ रहा है? Chord के ऊपर. Then bisects the chord. Bisect means this OM is bisecting this chord. That means it is cutting into two equal parts. That means PM is equal to MQ. So what you will understand? PM is equal to what is the other one? MQ. Segment PM is congruent to MQ also you can write. See, I repeat, जब भी perpendicular दिया रहेगा and it is what is this intersecting at the chord, then that means we can say that this is congruent to this one. This is the thing we have learnt with an activity. Okay, next one we will see one more properties. Yes, next property, the segment joining the center of a circle. The segment joining the center of a circle and the midpoint of the segment कहाँ से joining the center, यहाँ से center of the circle से midpoint of the chord, यानी एक AB का midpoint क्या है, यहाँ तक जो आ रहा है is perpendicular to the chord करके हो रहा है property. What does this mean? That is O is the center of the circle दे दिया है और P is the midpoint of the chord. Midpoint of the chord मतलब chord means what? ये जो P is midpoint of AB. That means can we say AP is equals to PB? Yes, midpoint बोला है P, इसका मतलब है AP is equal to PB. So when such condition comes, what condition? That is the center of the circle से जो आ रहा है एक segment वो midpoint में आकर touch हो रहा है तो हम बोल सकते हैं इसको कि ये perpendicular बन जाएगा. So from this what do we understand? इससे हमें क्या prove होती है? कभी भी सेंटर ऑफ द सर्कल से आकर वो मिड पॉइंट में आकर टच हो रहा है तो ये पक्का 90 डिग्री बनेगा. इज परपेंडिकुलर टू द chord. दैट मीन्स वी विल गेट इट दैट OP इज परपेंडिकुलर टू AB. हमें जिसके पहले प्रॉपर्टी जो किया था उसका कन्वर्स है ना डियर. उसमें क्या दिया था? उसमें 90 डिग्री दिया तभी हमें AP इज इक्वल टू PB हुआ. यहाँ पे क्या दिया है? AP इज इक्वल टू PB दिया है, हमें 90 डिग्री बन गया है परपेंडिकुलर. यू शुड रिमेंबर दिस प्रॉपर्टी. द सेगमेंट जॉइनिंग द सेगमेंट कहाँ से? फ्रॉम द सेंटर ऑफ द सर्कल एंड द मिड पॉइंट ऑफ द chord इज परपेंडिकुलर टू द chord. So you can understand with this property. Okay, with this we will start solving the sums here. Yes, we will see the first question of practice at 6.1. Distance of a chord AB from the center of the circle is 8 cm. Distance of a chord AB from the center of the circle. Okay dear. And length of the chord AB is 12 cm. And the length of the chord is given. Find the diameter of the circle. Whenever such sum comes, you please, I always suggest you to draw the figure. That makes you very clear about it. Okay. Distance of the chord AB from the center, यानी एक chord है इधर from the center of the circle, यानी यहाँ से the distance of a chord AB from the center of the circle is 8 cm. मतलब ये जो है 8 cm है. And the chord AB, इसको देंगे chord AB. This is the chord we know, right? AB is how much centimeter? 12 cm. Find the diameter of the circle, they said. Okay my dear. So here what we are going to do, we will consider this is a perpendicular here. Okay, we will consider this is a we will name it O and this is as a M. OM is okay, like a construction you can write. Consider what is this? Let OM is perpendicular to AB. Okay, so now this is perpendicular means we have learned one property. You remember dear, जब ये perpendicular आकर ये जो chord में आकर टच हो रहा है तभी ये जो है सेगमेंट को बाइसेक्ट करता है कि नहीं. वी हैव लर्न द परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉन फ्रॉम द सेंटर ऑफ द सर्कल ऑन इट्स chord बाइसेक्ट्स द chord. दैट मीन्स AM इज इक्वल टू MB. That means this much is 12 cm. So how much this will be? 6 and this will be 6. Okay, so from this we learn this one. After that what is asked? Find the diameter of the circle. What is the diameter? If you find the radius, can we find the diameter? Yes. See, this is the radius. Right? We get this much. See, ये जो triangle को मैं बाहर ऐसे आपके लिए लिख रही हूँ. See, I'm drawing this one. This much is 12, so half is 6 centimeter, and this is 8. Can we find this one? Pythagoras theorem. Once we find the radius, then we can find the diameter, because the diameter is double time the radius. Is it or not? So we are going to write it now. How we are going to write it? Firstly, OM is perpendicular to AB. Written. Then we are saying AM is equals to MB. Why? Because the segment is coming and what is this, intersecting the chord here. So we are writing AM is equals to MB. Okay, so AM is equals to MB. Why we are saying? Because perpendicular, हमें प्रॉपर्टी को याद रखना है. ड्रॉन, फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी है ड्रॉन फ्रॉम द सेंटर ऑफ अ सर्कल bisects the chord. Okay, now this much AB is how much? We said 12 centimeter. Okay, AB becomes a 12. So we already given AB is 12 centimeter. Now we want only MB. So MB क्या है? 12 का आधा है. So half of 12. Is it or not? ये पूरा AB का आधा है MB. So 2 6 are 12. So we got what? MB as a 6 centimeter. Now after we have got MB as a 6 centimeter, now can we find a triangle here? In triangle, I am writing here as I am having a very less space. In triangle, what is the triangle name? OMB. Okay, angle M is 90 degree given. Now applying the Pythagoras theorem. What is the Pythagoras theorem? We said here, learned here, that is OB square, that is this one, hypotenuse square, okay, equals to, what is this you have learned? Base square plus height square you have learned. Base square plus height square. This is Pythagoras theorem we are writing. Right, my dear? Now, hypotenuse. Hypotenuse we don't have anything. So, we will keep it like this only. Base. Base कितना मिला हमें MB? 6 मिला. 6 square. Height is how much? 8 square. So, 6 square is how much? 36. And 8 square is 64. So you got 100. Hypotenuse square is 100. But we want a hypotenuse only. Taking square root both the sides, you will get hypotenuse how much? 10. So you got 10 as a what, my dear? The radius as a 10. है ना? Hypotenuse जो है आपको 10 मिला है. But what is it? They asked diameter. That is nothing but a hypotenuse is a radius. So I am writing here radius is you got as a how much? 10 centimeter you got it. Now can we find a diameter? Yes, diameter is 2 times the radius, that is 2 into 10. You will get 20 centimeter. So are you able to understand simply a Pythagoras theorem? You have to learn these two properties and keep it so that we can write it whenever we are applying that one. Thank you.